Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we are going to be doing garlic Parmesan mushrooms, and I'm going to be using baby portobellas. We're going to do this all on the Blackstone Griddle. It's a great appetizer for the game or for any occasion. It's super good and super fast. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the ingredients real quick. First of all, you got to have your mushrooms. I got some baby portobello mushrooms, 8 ounces each. I have 2 of these, so 1 pound. I got 5 large cloves of garlic. Got some green onions or scallions, whatever you want to call them. Also, I'm going to be trying this Tsang's stir fry oil. It's garlic infused. If you don't have this, just use your regular extra virgin olive oil. And then for the Parmesan, I know you're gonna say it's in a jar. It's actually really good. This stuff, it's organic. It's 10 years aged, and this stuff is awesome. So I'm gonna use this. You can just use fresh if you want to grade your own, but that's the whole thing. All we're gonna do is go ahead and get this garlic chopped up, and these onions as well, and then we'll go over to the Blackstone. Okay, we got our green onions and garlic. We got our mushrooms. Let's go to the Blackstone and light this thing up. Okay guys, today we're working on the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. We're running on medium-high. So all we're going to do now is just go ahead and throw down some oil. I put a little bit just to coat it. Like I said, if you don't have the Tsang's, use some olive oil. Let's go ahead and put some oil on. Oh, that Tsang's smells really good. It's garlic infused. It is really good. Actually, I just found it for the first time. I've been looking for this stuff forever and finally found it. So, yes. And I also want to say thanks to Stephanie Jimenez. She was going to send me some, but I found some. So anyway, we're going to give this about 5 minutes to heat up. Then we're going to go ahead and go on with the mushrooms. Be right back. Okay, it's been about 5-6 minutes, and the griddle is hot now. We got our mushrooms here. We're just going to go ahead and dump those on. All you're going to want to do is just stir these around, kind of get them in the oil, get them coated. Alright, I'm actually going to go in with just a little bit more oil just to coat them. Alright, and that's going to give it that extra garlicky flavor with the Tsang's. Like I said, if you don't have it, use olive oil. So, we're just going to go ahead and stir these around. Like that. Alright. Just going to let them sit like that for a few minutes and then stir them up. We'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, it's been just 2 minutes, and I just let them sit there in the oil just like that. And this is how you're going to want to do it. You know, let it sit for about 2 minutes and then give it a good stir. Get all the oil everywhere. All you're looking for is to make sure all that the mushrooms get coated in oil. Alright, just like that. We'll give it another two minutes or so, and we'll be right back. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes. Let's stir these up. they're looking good. Another couple minutes. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes. Give it a stir. And they're starting to look good. Now, after about 6-ish minutes or so, just got a little bit of water here, just a little bit. Just a couple tablespoons of water, get them steamed up. All right, see you in a couple minutes. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes. I'm gonna give it a good toss. And they're looking really good right now. We're gonna add just a little more water. And I'm gonna put a top on. Give it about 30 seconds. Okay, actually we gave it 1 minute under this cover, so let's take the cover off and see what they look like. They look and feel great. So, I'm going to add a big pat of butter. And we're also going to add some garlic. Alright, go ahead and stir that up. Oh, that smells good. Got cheese here. Just go ahead and start sprinkling it on top. All right, now with the Parmesan cheese on top, we're actually going to go ahead and stir all this together. All right, and then add some more Parmesan cheese. Let's bring you in for a closer look. Okay, after about 30 seconds or so, stir it up again. Add some more Parmesan. All right, we're gonna let that sit for about 30 seconds and plate it. Okay, after 30 more seconds, let's go ahead and plate it up. Okay, now we got them all plated. We're good to go. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan cheese on here. We'll meet you at the cutting board. Okay guys, we are finished with the cook. And this is what you get. Very delicious, easy, awesome recipe. Football, appetizers, any time of the day. Let's try one of these bad boys. Those are phenomenal. See you in a minute. All right, so we are finished with the cook. Super easy cook, super good. Anyway. Those are so good. Okay, so that's how you do garlic Parmesan baby portobello mushrooms on the Blackstone. Total cook time about 12 to 15 minutes. Prep is super easy. You know, you got a 36-inch Blackstone. I only did a pound. You can fill a whole Blackstone up with these things, but they're awesome for any occasion, appetizers, all that good stuff. So if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to check the iCard for other videos. There'll be some other videos popping up as well. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of these, and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.